Hey YouTube, today I'm working on a BMW 325xi. This is a 2005 E46 chassis. Today's job is to replace the wiper blades. I will say that these original BMW or Bosch style wiper blades are no longer being manufactured. So we're gonna have to go to an aftermarket brand. And this is the one that I chose. Here's the part number. Was able to get this particular set over at FCP Euro. Not a sponsor, but definitely a place that I like to buy parts from. Anyway, we'll go on to how to remove this. So lift the blade up, find the release tab, pull on the release tab, and then slide the whole unit down. And then from here, should be able to just get the blade off. Now the tricky part is with these Valeo blades, they don't go on quite the same as you would expect. They don't go on, you know, the way that the other ones came off. And I've seen a lot of reviews saying that these blades don't fit these cars very well. It's just a matter of knowing how to install them properly, as there's no instructions in the box, at least none that I've ever seen. So anyway, we'll take this connector here and we'll lift it up and we'll slide it over the hook, like so. So we get this unit in here like so, slide it in. Now we hook into the hook. There's a little rectangular slot here, right where my thumbnail is. It hooks into the slot. So once you have it, the hook in the slot, it's just a matter of pushing up and pivoting around. Hopefully you can see that. And once you get it around the end of the wiper arm hook, you keep turning the plastic connector here and then you snap fit it. And once it's in there, it fits very well, almost as well as the original BMW or Bosch units. Anyway, hope this video helps. Thanks and have a great day.